Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a super powerful, super efficient workout you can do pretty much anywhere, anytime. Seriously, no gym, no fancy equipment needed, just 10 minutes to get you stronger. So let's get right into it.
You know the story, right? You want to get fit, you want to feel good, but life just seems to get in the way. It's the classic problem. But what if the solution was way, way simpler than you've been led to believe? Let's just tackle this myth head on. So many people think that a real workout means you need a gym membership, a bunch of complicated machines, and at least an hour to spare. But is that actually true? These are the big three, right? The things that stop so many of us before we even get our shoes on. You've got no time, you have no equipment at home, and honestly, you're just feeling a little overwhelmed, not knowing where to even begin. We totally get it.
Well, that is exactly what we're here to solve today. We're going to give you a super clear, super simple blueprint that just smashes right through all those hurdles. And here it is, 10. That's the magic number. Just 10 minutes. That's all this takes. I mean, think about it. That's less time than you probably spend scrolling social media or waiting for your coffee. This is a workout literally built for a busy life.
And look, don't let that 10-minute number fool you. The impact here is huge. We are talking about a routine that's specifically designed to burn fat, build some real, functional strength, and give you a serious energy boost to carry you through the rest of your day. So, how in the world do we pack all of that into just 10 minutes? Well, it all comes down to one simple but really powerful 5-move circuit. Let's break down exactly how it works. This secret sauce, the engine behind this whole thing, is what we call the 40-20 rule. It's so simple, but it's incredibly effective. You're going to go hard for 40 seconds, then you get to catch your breath for 20 seconds. This whole interval thing is the key to keeping your heart rate up and making every single second count. And here's the full plan. Super straightforward. You're going to complete all 5 moves using that 40-20 rule. That takes exactly 5 minutes. Then you just do it all over again, one more time. That's it. Your full 10-minute workout is in the bag. Done. Okay, let's get into the actual moves. We're kicking things off with an absolute classic, jumping jacks. And this isn't just a gym class warm-up. This is designed to get your heart pumping and wake up your entire body right from the jump. Now, form is absolutely everything. You want to focus on keeping your chest up and pulling your core in tight. It's not about going a million miles an hour. It's about finding a good, steady, controlled pace for that full 40 seconds. All right, next up, we're going to build on that momentum with our second move, bodyweight squats. This is such a fundamental strength movement, and it's perfect for building power in your legs and glutes without a single weight in sight. So to get that perfect squat, here are a few key things to remember. Just imagine you're sitting back into a chair that's slightly behind you. Keep your back nice and straight and really, really focus on driving all that power through your heels as you stand back up. Move number 3, we are targeting the upper body with push-ups. This is an incredible exercise for your chest, your shoulders, and your core. But I know what some of you might be thinking. Ugh, I can't do a push-up. Hey, don't worry about it. We've got you covered. Look, this workout is for absolutely everyone. If a standard push-up feels like a bit much right now, just drop to your knees. The key is to maintain that straight line, this time from your head to your knees, and just focus on a slow, controlled movement. You'll build strength just as effectively, for sure. All right, time to crank that intensity right back up with move number 4, mountain climbers. This one is just an amazing cardio and core shredder all rolled into one dynamic movement. The trick here is to start from a really solid plank position. Keep that core locked in tight and then just drive your knees up towards your chest. Find a rhythm that you can maintain and please remember to breathe steadily through it. And for our final move in the circuit, we're going to slow things down and focus on pure stability and endurance, the plank hold. This one is all about engaging your entire core from top to bottom. So for a really strong plank, your alignment is crucial. Make sure your elbows are directly under your shoulders and your body forms one straight, rigid line. Squeeze your core, squeeze your glutes, and fight that urge to let your hips sag. Hold on tight for that 40 seconds. You got this. So you've done the circuit once, you do it again, and boom, your 10 minutes are up. But what happens when you keep doing it, day after day? Well, that's where the real magic happens. See, this isn't just about a single workout. When you're consistent, when you make this a regular thing, you unlock some serious long-term benefits. Your metabolism kicks into a higher gear, you just start to see improved muscle tone, and your overall endurance is just going to go through the roof. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? It is not about one single, heroic, perfect workout. It's about the simple but incredibly powerful act of just showing up, day after day, for just 10 minutes. That's how you build real momentum. That's how you create lasting change. So, we're going to leave you with this one question. The blueprint is right here in front of you. It's simple, it's effective, and it can fit into literally any schedule. The only thing left to ask is, what are